Guys, today we're diving into something a little bit different. We've got an all-in-one record player to review. Have you ever wondered if these budget-friendly turntables can actually deliver good sound? Well, we're about to find out with the Angels Horn H019. Is this the perfect entry turntable or just another disappointing all-in-one system? Well, let's get the record spinning and see what this player has to offer. Back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube, Dave here with Scene for a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, this is the H019 all-in-one turntable or record player from Angels Horn. Now, if you don't know Angels Horn, well, they make different types of record players or turntables, blending quality and price. Now, before we get into it, Angels Horns sent me this H019 all-in-one record player to review in exchange for my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get it out of the box and see what we have. So guys, first up, open up the box, and there's a ton of stuff in here. First of all, you've got some paperwork telling you how to set up the tone arm and stuff like that. You've got a very comprehensive user manual. You've got the power adapter, you've got the dust lid, you've also got the platter, and you've got the platter mat that goes on top of that. And of course, guys, you've got the device itself. And you know what? This device looks good. It feels premium and solid, and I reckon it is solid walnut wood. Now, what makes the H019 from Angels Horn stand out? Well, this all-in-one system comes with a built-in speaker system, a phono preamp, and Bluetooth connectivity. It's designed to be a complete vinyl playback solution right out of the box. And with this cool walnut finish to this record player, it really looks elegant and should fit nicely in most home decor styles. Now, setting up the H019 is straightforward, but there are a few things that you kind of need to do to get it going, right? So we've got to pop on the platter, we've got to install the belt drive, and it's pretty easy. There's a little ribbon thing here. You carefully loop that belt around the motor pulley and the outer ring of the platter, and you're good to go. Then we'll place the platter onto the spindle, make sure it sits level and spins freely, and you're done. Now, one thing you need to do, and this is an absolute need, is balance the tone arm. First of all, we'll install the counterweight onto the back of the tone arm, adjust it until the tone arm floats level when released, set the tracking force to the recommended 2 grams for the included audio-technica 3600L cartridge, and with that setup complete, we can take a look at the features. Now, the H019 offers 2 playback speeds, 33 1/3 and 45 RPM. This covers most vinyl records that you're likely to own, although I do have a few 78s, but you know what? I don't play them that often, and quite frankly, there's no chance in playing them on this H019. Now guys, the H019 does have a built-in phono preamp, which is a nice touch. It allows you to connect the turntable directly to powered speakers or to a standard line level input. There's also a switch to bypass the preamp if you prefer to use an external one. Now guys, the Angels Horn is equipped with the audio-technica AT3600L, as I said. Now, this is a fairly respected entry-level cartridge known for its good sound quality and reliability. Also, guys, you get 4 speakers. You get 2 for the mid bass and 2 tweeters, and this setup aims to provide a full range sound without the need for external speakers. Now, when I listen to this, and I can't share the listening with you because, like, you know, it's copyright and all of that kind of stuff, but trust me, listening to this, the sound is surprisingly good with these built-in speakers. There's a decent amount of bass and the highs are clear without being harsh. Now, it's not audiophile grade, but you know what? It's enjoyable for casual listening. Now, I have a Crossley Cruiser, and I have to say, this H019 is definitely a sound upgrade. Sorry to my kids, because they bought the Crossley for me. But you know what? The Crossley's got a great place. It's like a suitcase. You can carry it around if you wanted to. I mean, I don't want to carry all the records around, but maybe I'm going to go and play somebody else's records. I don't know. It's got a place. So kids, it was a good purchase. Anyway, you can see these two players next to each other, and immediately the Angels Horn device definitely looks higher quality. Now guys, if you want more volume or better sound quality, you can always connect external powered speakers or connect it to your hi-fi equipment via those RCA outputs on the back. Also guys, another modern touch is that Bluetooth connectivity. This allows you to stream music from your phone or other devices through the H019 speakers. The connection is stable. I think it uses Bluetooth 5, and you know what? For Bluetooth, the sound quality is good. One thing to note is the adjustable counterweight, right? We talked about that already in the setup, right? But why I'm talking about it is because this feature is often missing on entry-level turntables. So it allows you to set the correct tracking force, which is crucial for both sound quality and record preservation. Also guys, the H019, as I've shown you, also includes a removable dust cover, and this helps to keep your turntable clean when not in use. It's small, but it's important for maintaining your equipment. Now guys, there are one or two downsides, right? They're not deal breakers, but they're just downsides. I mean, the built-in speakers, while convenient, they're not going to match the quality of a good set of external speakers. If you're looking for the best possible sound, you might want to use the line outputs. Also guys, the tone arm doesn't have adjustable anti-skate, and this might lead to slightly uneven wear on your records over time. I mean, I'm not playing records all the time anyway, so you know what? It's not a deal breaker, but it's worth noting. And lastly, while the AT3600L, that's a mouthful, cartridge is good, some users might want to upgrade it down the line. And you know what? You can do that, which is a big plus. You can replace the cartridge, change it out for something better. You know what? That's a big plus. So guys, there you have it. The Angels Horn H019 is an impressive all-in-one solution for vinyl enthusiasts. For someone who wants a cost-effective way to get into vinyl, it offers good sound quality, convenient features, and a stylish design. While it has got a few limitations, it's a solid choice for beginners or those wanting a compact setup. And right now guys, at the time of this video going live, you can pick up this deal for just £240, right, at the time of this video going live. I'll leave any product links and any discounts in the description. And guys, if you have any comments or questions, then please leave them below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to Angels Horn for sending me this very cool record player, all-in-one record player to review. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.